Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the Honorable Board of Examiners and my distinguished supervisor, Professor Dr. Anissa Astrid, ST, MPD. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my thesis proposal. My name is Faroza, and in this presentation, I would like to explain my proposed research entitled The Correlation Among Reading Interests, Reading Strategies, and Reading Achievement Among 11th Grade Students of SMA Sriwijaya Negara. I chose this topic because reading plays a very important role in English learning, especially in an EFL context where students have limited exposure to English outside the classroom. Through this research, I hope to discover whether the student interest in reading and their reading strategies influence their reading achievement. For the next slide, background of the study. Reading is considered one of the most important skills in learning English because top reading students can gain information, improve vocabulary, and develop comprehension skills. In an EFL context, reading also becomes the primary source of language input since students have limited exposure to English in their daily lives. However, the reality at SMA Sriwijaya Negara shows that many 11th grade students still face difficulties in reading English text. Based on my preliminary observations, students struggle to identify the main ideas of the text and often feel disengaged when reading English materials. I identified three main problems. First, students show low engagement in reading activities. Second, many students lack awareness of effective reading strategies. And third, students experience comprehension barriers, especially when dealing with unfamiliar vocabulary and complex text. As a result, students may find reading difficult and less interesting. Therefore, this study aims to investigate whether reading interests and reading strategies are significantly correlated with students' reading achievement. Next slide, research problem and objectives. Based on the problems, this study focuses on three research questions. The first question is there a significant correlation between reading interest and reading achievement? The second question is there a significant correlation between reading strategies and reading achievement? And the third question is there a simultaneous correlation among reading interests, reading strategies, and reading achievement? Meanwhile, the objectives of this study are aligned with those questions. This research aims to identify the relationship between students' reading interests and their achievement, to examine the relationship between reading strategies and achievement, and also to determine whether both variables together will contribute to students' reading performance. I hope the findings can provide useful information for English teaching and learning processes. Next slide, significance of the study. I believe this study can provide several important contributions. First, for teachers, this research may help them understand the importance of increasing students' reading interest and reading effective reading strategies in the classroom. Second, for students, this research may encourage them to become more aware of the importance of reading habits and reading strategy techniques. Students can realize that reading is not only about pronunciation words, but also about understanding meaning effectively. And the third, for future researchers, this study can become a useful reference for conducting similar studies related to reading skills, literacy, and EFL learnings. Next slide, literature review. In this research, there are three main variables. The first variable is the reading interest. Reading interest refers to students' willingness, enjoyment, and motivation to read. Reading with high reading interest usually spend more time reading and tend to have better comprehension. The second variable is reading strategies. Reading strategies are techniques used by students to understand text more effectively. Some examples included previewing the text before reading, skimming for general ideas, scanning for specific information, and using unfamiliar vocabulary from context. The text variable is reading achievement. Reading achievement refers to student performance in the reading comprehension, which can be measured through reading tests. These three variables are theoretically connected because students who enjoy reading and use effective strategies are expected to achieve better reading outcomes. Next slide is previous related studies. This research is also supported by several previous studies. For example, Hidayati et al. 2020 found that students' psychological factors, including interest and motivation, significantly influence academic achievement. Other studies also revealed that students who apply effective reading strategies tend to comprehend text more successfully compared to students who read without strategies. However, previous studies were conducted in the different contexts and population. Therefore, I want to investigate whether similar findings can also be found among 11th grade students at SMA Sriwijaya Negara in the current academic year. This is important because each school may have different learning environments and student characteristics. Next slide is research design and methodology. In this study, I will use a quantitative correlational research design. I choose this method because the purpose of this research is also examine two relationship among variables without giving any treatment or manipulation. The population of this study consists of all 11 grade students at SMA Sriwijaya Negara. From that population, I will select 50 students as the sampling using simple random sampling. I use this sampling technique to give every student an equal opportunity to be selected. The collected data will then be analyzed statistically to determine the strength and significance of the correlation among variables. And next slide is data collection and analysis. To collect the data, I will use two questionnaires and one reading comprehension. These questionnaires are used to measure students' reading interest and reading strategies. Meanwhile, the reading comprehension test is used to measure students' reading achievement. After collecting the data, I will analyze them using person-product moment correlation type SPSS software. This statistical analysis will help determine whether the relationship among variables are significant or not. In addition, I will test the reliability of the instruments using Cambridge Alpha to ensure that the questionnaires are consistent and reliable. The significance level used in this research is 0.05. And for the conclusion and Q&A, in conclusion, reading interest and reading strategies are important factors that may influence students' reading achievement. By understanding the relationship among these variables, teachers and students may find more effective ways to improve reading comprehension in English learning. I hope this research can provide meaningful contribution to the field of English education, especially in reading instruction. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I sincerely welcome any question, comments, or suggestion for the improvement of this research proposal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.